what's up guys, Short Life playing here. Viewer discretion is advised for small kids like you guys. Okay, so we are going to be playing Short Life, as you can see. Play. So I have gone all the way to level 7, but that is way too hard for me. So we are on level 1. Yes, but 3 whole stars. I'm going to sacrifice it for you guys, Sacrifice it. Y'all. Avoiding that spike. This thing is so glitchy. Is that because I'm recording? Okay, look down with your eyes. Look down or jump, Mel. Oh, what's up with you? Okay. Let's get past this cone. Yes. No, don't trip. Okay. Don't. Yeah. By the way, this man right here, the bald eagle, is the reason why I died just there. Got it? Okay, so we're doing this. We're not gonna die today. We are collecting all of those stars. Okay, jump over. Oh, yes, I'm finally... No. Okay, you are getting that star. Please tell me how this man survives an arrow to the head. How? Okay, so we're crawling with an arrow in our heads. Okay, avoid these. 3 whole stars, people. 3 whole stars. Yes, and let's continue. Okay. This is easy, to be honest. Gotta get that star, you know what I mean? Avoiding that ball, be like, okay, you got in. Jump over these stairs because obviously you are gonna fall. I mean, this guy's really lazy. I shouldn't have had this guy, honestly. Whee! Okay, crouch. I got shot in the head yesterday, and I was like, how do you live? Because he was still walking. Okay. Wee, look down. Oh, okay. Eating your toe. Okay. No, I need that star. Okay, you know what, Mel? We are replaying this. Okay, what was that? You know what? I got my 3 stars, everybody. Lost a hand, but you know what? I got my 3 stars. Okay, this is like my most unfair. Like, I hate this one. This is the one that I always die in. But you have to get those stars to get those people because I don't want this lazy guy. Okay, you can't. I don't think you can see his head, which is really... Okay, you can see his head now. He's been through a lot, you know? You feel me? He's dead. Round 2, everyone. Hey, guys. Okay. You didn't see me and my savage levels go, but I avoided that bomb. Okay, let's jump over you. Okay. Okay. This is literally just jumping over, and I'm just getting so scared. Okay. Oh my god, I remember this. Okay, basically you're supposed to go in. Oh, no. Okay. You have to be in the middle of it. Can't move. Okay, girl. Okay, I swear, I am about to get mad. Whee! No, I have to go back. We have to get that star. We are not leaving you behind. Yes. Got you by my bald head. Okay. I was like, oh my god, are you gonna fall? And we did it, guys and girls. Okay, level 4. This is actually kind of easy. Okay, got my first star. pass through. Hey, you got it, Mel. But there's more. What is this? No, I need to get my first star. Okay. Okay. Got my first star. Oh yeah. I'm supposed to kick them. Thank you, soccer ball. Okay. Okay. If you want your third star, Mel, you're gonna have. Oh, yeah, you got your third star. 3 stars, everybody. Okay, guys, and now we are on level 5. Okay. Can you not fall off the stairs? Thank you. Whee! Don't forget that star. Okay, can you not trip? There's no rocks here. It's just grass. Wait. Oh. They're so smart. They say go back. Okay. This way. I'm following them. Okay. Go past that bomb. Too easy! This is just so easy. I'm shook of the easiness. No, I was joking. I thought I'd get killed the second I go into those 2 thingies. Going over these things that might kill me. Hey. Just to avoid it, just whoa! Oh my god. I thought I was just gonna just stay there. Oh, I see you. Okay. Yay! I got my 3 stars, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the thing is, I already got 3 stars in here, and I'm worried. Oh no, it's still gonna get you either way. Okay, you have to swing with it. Ooh, did you see that? Okay. Don't land on your face. Too easy. Okay, now here are the brushes. Combs, whatever. Yeah. Oh man. I get really nervous. You feel me, guys? Do you feel? Oh god. Oh god. Oh man. And look at me, surviving like a man. This is how. Get that out of your foot. Okay, you're gonna die. You are. Yep, and I died. Man, I thought it. And I got 3 stars out of this, guys. But I'm sacrificing. I am sacrificing to all of this. Okay, so basically, you kind of just push it, and then you run over here really quick. Okay, I know I'm a dummy. Oh no! I remember this. I could not get past this. Like, I played this like 3 whole times. Okay, just keep on. Okay, yeah. Okay, just press up against. Whee! 3 whole stars, people. Okay, guys, it's level 7, the big guns. Oh. How did I just not realize that there was a blade? Oh, that just did it all for me. Oh. Okay, just yeah. Oh. Okay. Bend. Whoop. This way. Star. Great job, Mel. There's the hammer. Oh, can you not fall? Thank you. You realize you're about to get killed. Jeez. Some people. You just really... But I actually like to get shot by those. I know I'm really dumb. Oh, protect me. But I needed that, sir. I can't avoid that, or else you can't like get another human. So, do you feel me, guys? Darn it! I just wanted like an arm chopped off or something. Like, do you like getting the arrow in your head? I think it's kind of cool. So. Let's just get through this level. Oh my god. So we're restarting. And I have a feeling that I am gonna make this one. I really do. And okay. I swear to something like we are gonna change it. I mean, see, this is what I want. Oh my god. I get to have him. Okay, this is so much better. He seems more muscular. Yeah, I know I'm the muscular part. Probably too. Oh no. Oh my god, this guy is worse. Can we just get through something without getting blood? I mean, will this guy do me a favor and be better than that bald eagle? Okay, you finally did something right. Okay, you're not tripping or anything, which is good because when that guy would get like a foot cut off. Okay, now you're just being dramatic. Okay, yeah, okay. Save me! You are not doing your job to save me. Don't you see? I'm dying out here. Yeah, thanks the guard that is supposed to guard me through it. Ow. Okay, first of all, my computer is screwed up. And this fat guy is too. Okay, stop getting up and sniffing the wall. Okay, turn around. I swear, I'm gonna have myself killed. This fat guy with the red shirt. Okay, who do you think you are? I'm gonna call him Sniffer, because all he wants to do is just sniff. Okay? He's like a magnet. Can you let go of the wall? Thank you. Okay, let go. Okay. Oh my god. Because I swear to God, I was getting so pissed. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Who's worse, guys? Comment down below. The weakling, as in the bald eagle, you can phrase that. Or the chubby chubs, or the sniffer. Each of them has 2 nicknames. Okay. He's tripping too. You just need to get us. Look. I don't know what did that, your heaviness or your sniffingness, clumsiness, but I don't like this guy. I want to see him get squashed by a wall. Oh, no, don't leave me. Okay, you are getting up and you're fighting your fears. Fight. Okay guys, that will be all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow or today maybe. Bye.